Here are those 5 tips and tricks. First one, change any photo to cinematic. Add a curves adjustment layer. Drag the shadow slightly up. To do that, adjust bottom left in curves properties. Now drag the highlights slightly down. Now add color lookup adjustment layer. Now select teal and orange Luti. Instant Hollywood style color grading. Second, instantly remove anything in photos. First, duplicate the layer and select the lasso tool. Now select the area you want to remove. Right, click and choose fill and follow the settings. Boom, it's gone. Now deselect the selection. Third one, how to get dramatic color pop-up. Go to Adjustments next, Hue, Saturation. Then reduce saturation to -100. Now go to Select and choose Subject. It will automatically identify and select the subject. Now select Brush Tool and foreground color should be black. Now here is the final result. Fourth one, fake depth of field for a DSLR look. Duplicate the layer twice. Now go to Select and choose Subject. Use Quick Selection tool and hold Alt key while deselect the unwanted arrears that has been selected. And without holding the Alt key, select the wanted areas. Click the top layer and add a layer mask. Now hold the Control key and click the layer mask to get a selection. Again, go to Select and go to Modify and choose Expand. Now right-click and select Fill. Deselect the selection. Now go to Filters, then Blur, and choose Gaussian Blur. Here is the final output. Fifth one, add realistic speed blur to any object. Duplicate the layer and convert it to Smart Object. Now go to Filters, then Blur and find Radial Blur. Follow the settings. Now select the background layer and go to Select and choose Subject. Now click the top layer and add a layer mask. Now invert the layer mask. Here is the final. That's it, guys. Those were 5 mind-blowing Photoshop tricks that work in every version of Photoshop.